Okay, hello. So this is Nitin Dahad with Aspen Core Media. I'm here at the Arrow Electronics booth with Amir Sherman. So tell me a little bit about Arrow's transition from being a components provider to a technology solutions provider. So can you just explain what that means a little bit?
Okay, so we started a transition that started a couple of years ago, where we are not a distributor for components. We are a technology platform provider. And what does it mean? It means that we are here to solve customers' problem. Now, it's related to time to market, it's related to solution, and thinking about the big picture. Meaning that when we are discussing with customers today, it's not about which micro you need or which Internet of Things module you want, how I can solve your problem. And meaning that we are moving to system on modules, boards, solutions, and real platform. So what does it mean? It means that if, for example, I'm taking an example of a request for a gateway application, in the past, the main discussion was which processor can drive my gateway. But now is what type of gateway we want. Do you need a system on module to drive your gateway? And in some cases, customers saying, I didn't know that you have the gateway, so can I buy the gateway itself? This is one example.
And so you're seeing customers ask a lot more about the broader solution as opposed to saying, I just want this component.
Yeah, so this is what we are seeing. We are seeing this today, we see this in the last couple of years, and Arrow did this transformation. So we are here to solve customer problems. And from our perspective is really not to be in a positioning, give them one solution, but the entire solution.
Thank you. So can you give me one or two examples of how you've enabled this? Because I think there are some interesting examples you've got.
Yeah, so thank you for asking. So I have one example here from our partner named Scalus, and they just won the CES 2019 award with this unique product. Now, it started with a community board called Grey Board based on NXP processor, so customers can use the community, copy-paste the design, do their own development. But in many cases, the customer wants a system on module or only the board inside, and they can buy the board, we can customize it for them. Some customers saying, I need exactly that. So they are buying the Trust Box that it's Microsoft Azure certified to have the full solution. So it's not only one, it's everything, and this is one good example. Another example that I have with me is the Bodycom example. We see a lot of requests for camera application, for vision and AI, and many other applications. So we developed a platform named Bodycam based on a Quictel SE20 processor using on-semi camera. And then this is a platform. What does it mean? It means that you can take it as it is, you can take the cover out, use the board inside to develop your own application like baby monitoring, security application, elderly help for people, or you can just buy it as it is and we can customize whatever you want. And this is full solution.
So that's actually quite interesting. So your customers sometimes having a need to get a solution quickly to market, but they need some help.
Correct. And again, we are never competing with our customers. This is our normally being support for proof of concept. Customers will buy a couple of hundred of that, be fast time to market immediately, showing their proof of concept, and then they can work with our team to design their own requested product.
So I think you've already answered this, but in summary, can you tell us what it means for the industry?
Yeah, so this is exactly it. Things are very, very complex. You can have quad-core processors, multiple wireless application, and all of that are very complex to design. So normally it will take 2 to 3 years. In this phase, customer can start immediately with a platform and in the same time do his own development. And this is what Arrow is giving to our customers.
Amir, thank you very much.